Okay, these are the steps you're going to want to take when you activate a volunteer. Once you've completed their interview, go into their contact, hit edit, and check coach interview complete. Hit save. At that point, you're going to go into contact classification. You're going to go to edit, and you're going to uncheck inactive, and you're going to hit save. Then you're going to scroll down to contact record type, and you're going to change that to volunteer. And then it makes you check the coach interview complete button again for some reason. So you check that and you hit save. And then we'll refresh. Oh, I forgot the step of, oh, those are updated. Let's see. This video is to show you how to activate a volunteer. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to contact classification and go to edit and check inactive. Then you are going to change the record type down here to volunteer and hit continue and save. You're going to want to make sure to update in the contact classification under subjects. Make sure you update their subjects to match whatever is down here and make sure that's correct. And then the last step you'll want to do is check coach interview complete and hit save. And then refresh. And then you should see this option to log into Community as user. So I would click on that just to make sure the results are populating correctly. And just a quick recap of the steps, you're going to want to uncheck the inactive in the contact classification. You're going to want to change your record type to volunteer. You're going to want to double check to make sure that the subjects are populated. If not, you can look in the open activity and transfer those over. And then lastly, you're going to check the coach interview complete box, refresh, and that should give you the opportunity to make sure that their login is working correctly and the email should go out to them. All right, that's it. Thanks.